I don't know if you saw on my other channel, and if you haven't, then I'll link it in the description below and at the end of this video, how I made these little pots and then how I cast those little pots to make some mold with. And what I'm going to do today is show you how great they are, and they are brilliant sellers. I've spoken about this many times on my channel before, how to make these into great sellers. I'm going to be using the Tea Expert Crystal Clear resin today. It's a high gloss resin, which is what I want to finish. It's bubble free. Never really completely bubble free, but we can make it bubble free, and it has a hardness of 85D, which is extremely hard, which is what's really important for when you're making little pots to put flowers in. And it also has a low odor. I love this resin for something that's crystal clear. I love it for things that need to be nice and hard and give me a great glossy finish to it. And I made these because I want to be able to have a lot more of these next time I go to a craft fair, because we've got a lot of cuttings that need selling, and this way they get a bonus because they get a pot as well. And like I said, I do have a video on how to do that. The Tea Expert resin mixes up really nice and easily, and as you know, I love Tea Expert products. It's either Tea Expert or J Diction for me. If I've got a discount code on this, of course I will share it with you in the description below as well. You might as well benefit from a discount. And this mixes up really easy as a one-to-one. Quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now. If you want to become a membership and benefit from all the perks, including the live streams and all the extra videos and support, then the link for that is in the description below. We have a great group of experts in there, a lovely team. There's about 300 members in there now, and they all really get engaged. It's a lovely, safe group to share your work, ask for feedback, and ask for help. So this one I'm going to pour with clear, but this one I am going to add mica powder to. And I'm using my little sponge brushes to do this with to start with. What I'm going to do is add some yellow into like the centers, and then a bit coming round in various places like that of the flowers on this mold. I have found that these little brushes are without a doubt the best way to apply to a mold. Really give a great effect. And you don't need much, just a little bit on there, going all the way around like I'm doing here, and then I'm putting dabs of it in just a few other places on the actual flowers themselves. There we go. So that'll do. And the other colour I'm going to add, I'll actually add into the resin. So filled that one up really well with the crystal clear, and I will burst any bubbles that come to the top using a long neck lighter. I've done the squidgy widgy on it as well, so that should have helped release some of those bubbles in there. I don't think this mold was as clean as it could have had it, but there we go. And then for this one, I've added some blue mica powder, and what I'm going to do is just pour that in there as well, pouring it in slowly because there are areas that you can trap bubbles in, and pour that right up to the very top. And then I will leave these to cure, and I'll show you what they come out like and show you how I fill them and sell them, and what I sell them for as well. Oh, I'm so tempted to put something in this one. I hate doing something that's completely clear like this when I want to put some sparkle in it. Well, these are all cured now, and it's the first time I've cast any resin in these molds, and that one I should have washed it out first. And these will come out really easily. They're great, easy to use, and making your own molds is always so rewarding. So there's that one. I think that's come out great, and it's lovely and glossy. And don't forget, when you're casting, if your mold's not glossy, you're not going to get a glossy finish. And there's that one. Oh, I love that too. Look how lovely and shiny that is. And they'll be nice and hard as well. See, I must have still had something left in that mold. It's giving a little bit of white there. But that yellow has shown up on there. I didn't think I was going to like that clear one. I really like it. Now, I know I've shown this quite a few times, but I'm going to show it again. What we do is we nip off bits about that big off the main plant, stick them into little pots like this, and within a few months, they're about this size. The same as this plant as well. It just grows its own roots off its thing, and we just plant them up. And they work really well, because I would probably charge between £4 or £5 for a little pot like that. Probably £4. But with the planting that has cost me 0 to grow, give that a push down, clean it up, I really like that. I think that has come out great. I didn't think I was going to like the clear one, but I do. So there they are finished. And for those two, I would probably charge £8 each. And that gives me a much bigger profit on these pots. And they've cost me nothing. Just a little bit of dirt. Look, there's a root already coming off that. So I could cut this one off already and plant it into another. And they grow so easily. And the same for these as well. So it's a great way of making extra profit. And using the T-Expert resin as well, which is an 85D hardness, gives these a really nice, hard and very glossy, as you can see, finish to them. And really clear as well. I really like that clear one. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Check out the video that's coming up next. It's from my other channel and it shows exactly how I made these. And it was so easy to make. Such a simple process to make original molds as well that no one else is going to have. So you're going to have unique stuff, which is really important when you're going to sell it. Boot that like button, helps my videos to get out there, as well as hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out the video on my other channel. I'll link it now. Take care, enjoy your resin. Bye.